Hey, are you spending too much time on Facebook? Well, you probably are if you're watching this video, or you're just curious on how to use Facebook quiet mode. And this is what I'll show you how to do on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this that works in 2021, you can give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, while watching the video, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to get back to them ASAP. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So the first thing you want to do is tap on the three dashes at the top right corner on Facebook, which will bring you to here this menu. It's basically the menu option. On some Android devices, the menu is at the top. On an iPhone, it's at the bottom. From here, you want to go down and select settings and privacy. When this menu loads, normally to change stuff, we go to settings, but here we'll click on your time on Facebook, which is the third option. So click on it right here, and when it loads, it's basically the idea is to see how you're spending your time on Facebook and get tools to help you make most of that time. So you can see your time, manage your time, get more from your time, and control your notifications. What you want to do is click on manage your time. And you have a bunch of tools, and here is the one that you are interested in. It's called quiet mode on Facebook. You can turn it on right now, and you can select for how long do you want to turn it on. But it basically mutes most push notifications and limits notifications dots. The next time you open the app on the device, you get reminder that quiet mode is on. So you can start it up right here, select for how long do you want it to last. For example, let's select 5 minutes. And now we won't get notifications. We can just spend less time on the app, spend more time with our family, or if you're using Facebook for business, just get the essentials out of it. If this video helped you out, give me a like. We're making hundreds of videos like this a week, so each like helps us out a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.